Hi, this is AI-mmi, your AI education and migration assistant. Thinking of studying or starting a new life abroad? You're not alone, but let's face it. The process can be confusing, expensive, and painfully slow. That's why we created AI-mmi, an AI-powered education and migration platform transforming how people plan their global future. With AI-mmi, you can instantly check your eligibility for study programs or visas. Ask questions just like you would with a real agent. Follow step-by-step guides that help you succeed. Even apply for programs or visas right here on the platform. And when you need a human touch, connect directly with verified schools and agents, all in one place, anytime. I can also help you find housing, jobs, and relocation services, even help move your pets, saving you time, stress, and thousands in fees. For service providers, AI opens new doors, helping schools, migration experts, and service providers connect with global clients faster, smarter at lower fee, cutting manual work and long engagement cycles. I am purpose-trained in migration and education, more accurate, up-to-date, and specialized than general AIs. I am not just another AI. I combine intelligence with human reach, offering personalized eligibility checks and expert-style support like no other. Please chat with me today.